Nikuja's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Nikujaga. Vegan version. Nikujaga is one of the famous home meal in Japan. It's very simple, easy, and the basic dish. I put Nikujaga recipe on my blog already with using Japanese beef. So if you're interested in, please check that recipe. So today let's do something fun and creative. Let's make vegan Nikujaga with using wheat gluten. We say fu, F-U, fu in Japanese. We use wheat gluten for many dishes. And I bought one of the fu already. And this is the package. And what is interesting in this fu is the shape, its shape. It looks like donuts or bagel, but we say this gluten kuruma fu. Kuruma is a car, and fu is a wheat gluten. And why we call this kuruma fu? It looks like a wheel of the car. That's why we call this fu kuruma fu. So we use this kuruma fu today. I think I can taste. You can eat, but it's a very plain flavor. So you have to rehydrate with hot water or water. Now I can show you the other wheat gluten. So this is the wheat gluten too. So this one has a flower shape and it has a pink or green and yellow color. It's very cute. We use this kind of wheat gluten for clear soups. What we say, osuimono in Japanese. So let's make one of the basic Japanese home meal today. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, let's start. At first, we rehydrate the kurumafu wheat gluten with using hot water. It takes about 15 minutes. Okay, then in the meantime, let's start cutting vegetables. And I found a very big, a giant onion the other day. So it's so huge. And also this potato is so huge. I've never seen this big. Have you ever seen this big potato in your country? So big. And we use carrot too. We cut into half. And we peel the skin. Then we cut into wedges. So we cut to the middle, like this. It is said, if you cut like this, you will not cry. And now carrots. Okay, let's peel carrots. And we use a half. Round and cut, round and cut, round and cut. If you cut like this, you can cook evenly. So I recommend. I call it round and cut. Next, potato. I like to cut those vegetables into big pieces. I like big chunk. The vegetables cutting is done. Since it's vegan Nikujaga, so I prepare a vegan style dashi soup stock. So it has kelp and shiitake mushrooms, dried shiitake mushrooms, soaked in water over 3 hours. Now we have to dehydrate. So I keep running water and squeeze to dehydrate. Okay, so wheat gluten is now dehydrated. So I will squeeze a little bit more to take out excess water. Since it's so big to eat, we cannot eat one bite. So I cut into small pieces, cut into 4 pieces each. So this will be the substitution of meat. Can you believe it? So let's start cooking. So we turn on the heat to medium-high heat. Now we drizzle rice oil or any oil. I recommend canola oil, vegetable oil, and salad oil, or sunflower oil. The oil that has a light flavor. So let's add potato and carrots. Then we add onion. So we quickly cook. Smells good already. Now we add wheat gluten. And mix all together. If you stir fry the wheat gluten, it adds more flavor, so I recommend. Okay, now the wheat gluten also gets brown color, so we add seasonings. So we add veggie dashi stock. We don't use this chicken mushrooms and kelp. I made another dish. It's called seasoned kelp dish. Today, please check my another video. It's called seasoned kelp recipe. Okay, now add seasonings. So we use soy sauce, sake, and mirin, and sugar. It's very simple. It's all 2, 2, 2, 2. So I sprinkle sugar. And I use brown sugar. Then soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Now sake. And mirin. Now we quickly stir and until the sauce all mixed. Then after it's mixed all together, and then we put lid and simmer for 20 minutes with medium low heat. And after 10 minutes passed, and please open the lid and then mix, and to make sure the sauce covers every ingredient. And then continue another 10 minutes. And when 5 minutes left, please turn medium-high heat to finish cooking. Okay, 20 minutes passed. Looks good. Now turn off the heat and let's serve on a bowl. And today I prepare the big bowl. Okay, so the vegan Nikujaga is done. Okay, vegan Nikujaga is done. So let's try tasting. Wow. いただきます. So at first we have to eat gluten, kurumahu. Looks like meat. いただきます. It tastes like very soft and juicy meat. After rehydrating the wheat gluten, I squeezed very hard. So flavor from the sauce absorbs in a wheat gluten very well. So that's a tip. It tastes so good. It's so fulfilling. Oh, I forgot to eat potato and carrots and onion. It's already so soft. Since we simmer for 20 minutes, and I keep eating with gluten since it's so yummy. Since my son doesn't like meat sometimes, but he likes tofu and this wheat gluten, so maybe I will make this one for him. Yeah, and if you can find wheat gluten, wheel shape, you can also use another wheat gluten. Find at Japanese supermarket. Try vegan style Nikujaga. And if you see this video for the first time, and if you never cooked Japanese food, I recommend to cook this Nikujaga for the first time. And it's Sui-chan. It's there too. Now our supervisor, Sui-chan, came here. How are you, Sui-chan, today? Were you sleeping? How was my video today? I think it was good. Yeah. She always supervises while sleeping. So she's very talented supervisor, I think. For Sui-chan, also she can eat vegan version Nikujaga. Put this into small pieces and put in a porridge. And it naturally reduces the saltiness. So thank you for always supporting and subscribing and like this video. And I'm very happy to introduce Japanese home cooking recipe and also my family recipe to all of you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. We are happy to see it. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.